You can go to all kinds of events across the country and find really well-built Wranglers and Jeeps. The problem is they don't really stand out. They're capable, they look good, but when you see a Hawk Designs machine, it blows everything out of the water. The idea is to create something that's really unique, really different, that draws people in and connects with them on a deeper level. Hawk Designs got started 11 years ago in my parents' garage. I was tired of the construction scene. It seems like jobs were there one day and gone the next, and I really wanted to be my own boss and run my own shop. We designed this first product, the River Raider snorkel system, and it took off. We started selling a lot of them, but everybody wanted more parts, more accessories for their vehicle. So people were clamoring, hey, can you build me a bumper? Can you build me this? And I just said, yeah, sure. I figure it out somewhere along the way. I'd figure out how to do it. So I set to work designing a whole new line of parts and accessories for the JK Wrangler. Well, we realized quickly to get the most attention on our parts brand, putting them on a really kicking vehicle was the way to go. The more elaborate and more creative the show vehicle, the more people would be drawn into our booths at shows and events, and that would direct attention to our parts. I would say that our first real over-the-top build was the Tomahawk. We implemented all kinds of vintage World War II airplane parts into it, 3,000 some plus rivets all over the vehicle. It became more airplane than Jeep. That vehicle is where we kind of realized that we're going to still be a parts company building all kinds of heavy duty, hardcore off-road parts and accessories for people to bolt on their vehicle, but we're also a custom vehicle building company. And specifically, we want to build vehicles for other companies so they can use them in promotion and get that same attention to their brand. You know, the whole idea is to connect with people on a deeper level. Some people love Jeeps, some people love trucks, hot rods. We try to blend all of those things together, come up with something really unique and different that no matter what walk of life you come from and what your thing is, you're attracted to the vehicles we build.